It's time for the start of another week, and it's time for you to think about how to break free of the box this week. And this week I want to talk about something that's always overwhelming to everybody. How do we stay on top of our emails? You know, that little notification on your phone that drives you crazy? Do you have one email? Do you have a million emails? What do? So many of us say this struggle to stay on top of this little task, which not that long ago wasn't a crazy insurmountable thing. So I want you to think about this week. 3 tips to stay on top of your email. Triage that email inbox. And here's what we got to do. Keeping it simple. An email is going to be broken down into 3 things. Either 1, you're going to address what it says right now. Number 2, you're going to create a project to do it later. And number 3, you're going to delete it. And those are the 3 simple tips from productivity management on how to stay on top of your email inbox. Either do something now, create a project, or delete it. Get the clutter off your place and focus on being successful this week and going forward.
Are you tired of too much noise and junk cluttering up your inbox? Do you wish you can get the exact knowledge that you need and want, and not just another generic email blast that you won't read? I know you do. That is why it is time for a change. You need to subscribe to the Entrepreneurial CPA Channel newsletter powered by artificial intelligence. Our AI program learns what you like to read and provides you more of the content you consume. Stop the noise, stop the junk, get what you need. Click on the link and subscribe today. Take steps to invest in yourself.